What's up, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Winning Without Borders. I know I haven't been vlogging for such a long time. It's just been a crazy 2 months here in Vietnam. I'm always working, and I don't really have a 2-day weekend anymore, so it's hard to do stuff. But today, we're gonna take you around Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam, and I'm gonna show you what it's like. Alright, now I have freshened up. Yeah, just got my trousers and my shirt, you know, and now I am gonna call a Grab and head to work. So usually I drive my motorbike to work. That's my main source of transportation. But right now I'm using the app called Grab. It's exactly like Uber. And Uber used to operate in Vietnam like about a few years ago, 2 years ago I'd say, until Grab, the company in Southeast Asia, bought out Uber. So now they're in full operation in Ho Chi Minh City. So what's cool is you can request a car to pick you up, or you can actually request a motorbike. So yeah, that's my driver right now, and we're gonna head to work. So right now I am in District 6. This is actually my family's home right behind me. I live with my aunties and my uncles. Anay. Yeah, đúng rồi. So my Grab driver has just arrived, and now we're on our way to work. So I just arrived. This area is actually Phu My Hung. It's a Koreatown basically, and this is actually my school. I've been working here for about 3 weeks so far. I have about 5 classes today, so I'm not gonna really be going out and doing much. Maybe going out for lunch and just a quick bite to eat. But afterwards, I'm actually meeting up with a whole bunch of people tonight for our ITA meetup in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. So I'm just gonna hop into this restaurant here and order some food. Hopefully they're open. I don't see anybody. Let's see. Sao? 47 là sao? Ăn mặn 47.000 một chiếc hay là 35.000 một? 35.000 đi. Yeah, okay. So they have like steamed rice dishes with like chicken, as you can see right there, and then like a noodle dish with like pork inside and a side of sweet fish sauce. But I decided to just get a bunny. Standard of living in Vietnam is so low. Here is the menu that they have right here, and I'll just basically give you the price in US dollars. So for pho, yeah, basically chicken noodle soup, it's about $1.50 for the bowl of pho, which I occasionally get. It's a lot of noodles and a lot of meat. Just got my banh mi. Next stop is the coffee shop right next door, so I'm just gonna head to the coffee shop real quick. So right now just getting my black Vietnamese coffee, and after that just eat my banh mi, and then we'll start work at 11 o'clock. Got a lot of work to do, but 5 hours worth of work, and then afterwards we're gonna head to Buivien to meet some other teachers out there. So it's gonna be pretty awesome. Oh man, why did I decide to walk up the steps? I don't know. All right, get it off me. God damn it, this is hard to get off. All right, you know what? All right, I'm putting down my camera. I should have done that before, but. So yeah, welcome to my classroom. This is where I teach English. I usually teach adults. Ooh, I am out of breath. You know, I just signed up for the gym a couple days ago, and I am so out of shape. Man, there's a marathon coming up in a few months in Ho Chi Minh City, and I'm just thinking at the moment, how am I going to get ready for that? Okay, so anyways, yeah, this is my classroom. This is where I teach English. And right outside we have a beautiful view of Phu My Hu, if you can see right out there. And yeah, basically like I said before, this is Koreatown, probably the biggest community here in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. But I got a lot of lesson planning to do, a lot of work to do, so I'll catch you guys later. Very strong. Right here.
Could you believe this bunny only cost me about $1?
Wow. It's about 7 p.m. right now. I've been at school since about 9 a.m. this morning and just been working all day. But now I'm gonna head to Buivien. It's the backpackers district to meet up with all the other native teachers. So this is pretty exciting because I get to meet people from back home in Chicago. So if you're ever using Grab Bike in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam, it's like the most effective way to travel around the city. It is so affordable at the moment. To get from District 7 to District 1, it's about, let's see, 7 kilometers, but I'm only paying about $2 US to get from point A to point B. So it's really efficient, it's really reliable, and it's cheap. But the dangerous part is, like a lot of Grab drivers, they do like drive fast and they swerve through traffic, and there's a lot of heart-pounding moments when I'm on a Grab motorbike. But Grab driver is about 2 minutes away, so let's head to Buivien. That's really close. Oh my god. Now you guys see what I'm talking about, right? restaurant in Bolivian is a little bit more peaceful, not much going on, but that's where the party is at. But now we're gonna meet some friends at this restaurant here, which is more calmer. So, but then the madness will start a little bit. So we'll start to head down there. All right. How you doing? Nice to meet you. Hello, this is Laura.
Hello. Ciao.
Xin chào. She knows a little bit of Vietnamese and she's a teacher here as well. First beer Saigon with all the ITAs. You guys don't mind being on YouTube? If not, I'll block it out. Okay. So this is the International TEFL. Just do as is. I don't know why I did that. Alright, cheers. Anyways, cut short. Dinner is just finished. Had a couple beers. Feeling good. I don't know where we're heading right now, but definitely really recommend this restaurant. I didn't try the food, but it seems like everybody enjoyed it. I'll definitely attach a link right down below for you guys if you're ever visiting Ho Chi Minh City. Banner right there. And we're gonna get in for a picture, so he's gonna take it for us. So you guys just realize it's pretty calm right in the back streets of Bui Vien. If you walked a block over, it's loud, it's hectic, so much chaos. But here it has a really chill vibe to it, which I really like, and I think everybody else is enjoying it as well. We're in for a wild night, but it's too early. Well, it's not early, it's 10 o'clock right now, but usually Vietnamese people, they would get out and you know, party at 7, 8 p.m., which is too early for like the Western or American standard, but that's how it is here. So, but yeah, right now we're just gonna be heading somewhere that I don't even know. Let's keep on walking, right? All right. So we're going to a rooftop bar.
Everyone that you do, a point goes on the board. So for everyone that you drink, you are being fucking patriotic. We'll show you how to do it. Pull up like a hand grenade.
Yeah. See you, meet 'em.
Can't wait to see. Open up the gates for me. Reminiscent time. Black day talking front. Try to black it out for the plays again.
No lie, Mr. Wendigo, guys. Hey, Mexico! Mexico! America! No, actually, we took Jaeger bombs from Mexico. So, Mexico!
Well, Mexico is
Mexico!
welcome in our country,
Yeah,
by the
exactly.
way.
Exactly. We
For the
welcome.
record, we really like Mexicans.
We really like Mexicans. We love your food. We love your tequila.
We hate our glorious leader.
Yes, we hate our leader, but
We can't call him the president. even though he is.
we're not gonna make this political right now. But
No.
yeah, we just dislike him, and we'll leave it at that.
He's a strange human.
Well, this is a famous small place right
really
here.
famous pop place.
Really famous small place in Bui Vien. We'll head up later. I don't know yet, but these guys want to continue to drink. Wait, you guys aren't ending the night. Well, they said A, so I guess we'll still continue tonight. But they're enjoying themselves right now. Laura, let's go! Laura and Alan, let's go! It's been a story, a situation that has really bugged me and probably many people who have visited Vietnam. It's a fact that children, that boy right there, you see, he told me he was 12 years old. You know what time is it right now? It's almost 4 a.m. in the morning, and he's walking around Bui Vien selling candy, selling gum, while his sister is selling flowers. Their parents are nowhere to be seen, but they told me that one of their parents are standing around the corners, and the other parent is just at home sleeping, while they are doing the dirty work, while they're doing the work that many kids are not supposed to be doing at this age, you know. He was just standing right next to a police officer right here, and that police officer just watched him like nothing happened. This is the tough reality about Vietnam, the current situation that's going on.
It's insane. These are babies. It's 4 in the morning.
Yeah. It's 4 in the morning. These kids are out here hustling. Selling a pack of candy is not even close to $1, not even close to 50 cents. So just imagine their life at the moment. That they have to be out here 7 days a week, 365 days a year, making close to nothing. It's not their choice, it's their parents' choice. But they're out here doing the dirty work, you know, like, you know, I know in the States we all say these things and complain about these things, like how hard we have it, but once you get out, this is like the true reality. And you know, we hope that it changes one day.
Give him a like.
Give him a like.
Give him a like. Follow him. All the things.
I've never got.
He's the best.
No, I'm
Follow
not.
him.
You just met me. You're
Oh,
just
yeah.
saying that.
Yeah, but I met you and I like knew it. So
Okay. Well,
he's that cool in real life, I will tell you.
yes, well, you have to meet me to see for yourself. Like the vlog, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment right down below and tell me what you think, what else you would like to see about Vietnam. So, thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you next time on Winning Without Borders. Have a good night, guys.
Yeah.